we need an immediate investigation on organization of trips. I am not against trips because we know under the new curriculum we use, even before, the 5 senses are used in schools. But the kind of accident we saw along Mitiana, where we are getting information from police, by themselves attesting that the driver of the bus fell asleep, that's why the bus got off the road. But what exactly is involved in having children going for trips? Madam Speaker, I have observed a number of incidences. Children from different districts leave Kampala and travel late in the night. But the rules are clear. When children go for trips, they are supposed to report back to school in time so that their parents can pick them. What are those misconduct, mischievous activities that occur within buses? And at the end of the day, this is what we saw happening.
You're talking about buses. I have even seen students, pupils in lorries, full in a lorry. At least those ones were in a bus, but full in a lorry, a truck.
So my prayer, Madam Speaker, as Shadow Minister, we need to add immediate investigation and accountability. We want the Minister of Education to come and give us what exactly are the guidelines and what instructions are they given to this kind of behavior.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.